To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
All right, with that, let's get you more breaking updates now coming in. Rohit Pawar has posted a video allegedly showing a Maharashtra minister playing rummy during a session in the assembly. Extremely embarrassing, where Maharashtra minister is seen playing rummy, an online card game on his phone in the Legislative Assembly. This video has been put on social media by the NCP SP leader Rohit Pawar. My colleague Rucha is joining us on the broadcast. Rucha, Rohit Pawar posting this video of the Maharashtra minister. What are the details? When was he seen allegedly playing this game?
Well, this video seems to be from the Maharashtra monsoon assembly elections, which just 2 days before ended, and the video is from last 2 days is what we are hearing, and where the minister, who's the agriculture minister of Maharashtra, Manikrao Kokate, who's always been in the controversy over the remarks that he has made on farmers or farmers spending their money, farmers suicide. He has always been in controversy, and now again during the assembly session was ongoing, he was seen playing a video game, online game of cards. He can be seen playing, and this is a premise where nobody can use their phone. The mobile phone's usage is not allowed within the premises of assembly hall or the Legislative Assembly, but despite that he is seen using the mobile phone. Is clearly visibly playing the game, and which is a card game. Now the opposition has targeted him, saying that is this what the BJP government, is this what the Mahayuti government is giving the farmers, where the agriculture minister has no time to go to the farms to visit the farmers and to address the farmers' issues. It may be farmer suicide or the crop losses, the crop insurance. The ministers are failing to address these issues, but despite that they continue to play such online games. They are completely ignoring the government, the farmers, is what the opposition is saying. And Rohit Pawar has now tweeted this video, and Vijay Wadettiwar from Congress has also put some allegations on the same. This comes after the many controversies that the Mahayuti ministers have been in. Sanjay Gaikwad, Sanjay Shirsat, who have been seen in many controversies in the monsoon assembly period, where the session was going on, and now after just 2 days of the assembly session, the new video has erupted, and this has made a big controversy on how the minister gets access to use his mobile phone, and over that he is also seen playing a game which the opposition claims to be a rummy game, card game. It's interesting that on the very last day of monsoon session in the Legislative Assembly, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, was talking about how these online games have now become addiction, and there should be stronger laws to control these usage of these games. People, the younger kids are now completely addicted to these games. It may be any other video game or rummy for that matter. He also said that it is up to the central government whether to stop these games or let them continue. It is central government's authority to take decisions over these games. And just 2 days after that, after Chief Minister has mentioned that how dangerous this addiction of online gaming is, just very 2 days after the minister from their government only, Manikrao Kokate, agriculture minister, is seen playing a video game online. Okay. Again, the opposition is targeting the minister, that instead of addressing the real issues, the ministers who have no work to do are continuing to play such games within the premises of Vidhan Bhavan.
Okay, all right. So there is a debate already ongoing on whether these games should be allowed or not. But more importantly, this is in the assembly. And the question being raised is when there are discussions in the assembly, in the floor of the house on what is significant or important for the people. At a time like that, the minister was seen looking at his phone and, in fact, according to Rohit Pawar, even looking and playing games. This is all happening in the assembly. So there is a lot of answering that the government needs to do, Rucha. Any clarification or statement being issued by the Maharashtra Agriculture Minister on this charge?
Manik Rao Kokate, the Agriculture Minister, is likely to take a press conference. He will share what his side is of the story. He will confirm whether this is a true video or not. We are expecting a reaction from him. But the Mahayuti leaders, the other ministers from Shiv Sena or NCP are yet to speak anything on this. Only the opposition is seen targeting the government over this. Only the leaders from NCP SP who previously have worked with Manik Rao Kokate are now putting allegations on the Ajit Pawar's NCP. And this is not just first minister. In past few months, we have seen many controversies of this.
And this is very embarrassing. This is the state agriculture minister who is seen playing games in his phone when the assembly session is on. Rucha, request you to stay with us just a moment. We have reactions coming in from the opposition. Let's listen in.
कितना दुर्भाग्य है कि महाराष्ट्र के विधान भवन के अंदर बैठकर महाराष्ट्र के कृषि मंत्री माणिक राव कोकाटे रमी खेल रहे हैं, वो भी मोबाइल पर। बताइए ये क्या चाहते हैं, ये कैसा महाराष्ट्र बनाना चाहते हैं? जिन माणिक राव कोकाटे पर जिम्मेदारी है कि आप किसानों की आत्महत्या रुकवाइए, किसानों की आय दुगनी कराइए, किसानों के लिए बात कीजिए, उनके जीवन में बदलाव कैसा है उस पर बात कीजिए, और आप क्या खेल रहे हैं? जुआ खेल रहे हैं। यही तो शकुनी किया करता था ना कौरवों के लिए। यही सब जुआ खेलना, बेकार काम करना, ये हम आपसे उम्मीद करने लाए थे आपको? यही प्रचंड बहुमत की सरकार देखना चाहते थे? देवेंद्र जी, हम माणिक राव कोकाटे के इस्तीफे की मांग करते हैं। ऐसे असंवेदनशील व्यक्ति को मंत्री नहीं होना चाहिए, वो भी इतने महत्वपूर्ण विभाग का, जहां हमारे किसान एक तरफ आत्महत्या कर लेते हैं, उनके पास पैसे नहीं, उनके कर्ज माफ नहीं होते, उनके जीवन में बदलाव नहीं आता, अपने बच्चों के शादी ब्याह नहीं करवा पाते, अपने जीवन में कोई खुशियां नहीं ला पाते, दूसरी तरफ मंत्री महोदय बैठकर जुआ खेल रहे हैं, रमी खेल रहे हैं। ये कितना दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। और इसके बाद भी अगर हम बात कहें तो आप हमारी बात नहीं सुनते सरकार में बैठकर। कभी संजय गायकवाड़, कभी संजय सिरसाट, कभी माणिक राव कोकाटे। ये कैसी मजबूरी है भाजपा आपकी? आप
Charan Singh Sapra joins us on the broadcast. Thank you for joining us. Sapra ji, how do you respond to that? The opposition says that there are many issues that people are facing, serious discussions going on in the assembly, and yet the minister is seen playing rummy in the assembly premises.
See, it's not about only this minister. The entire Mahayuti government is a very irresponsible government, and especially when you talk about this minister Kokate, he's a habitual offender. He has been already demeaning the farmers of Maharashtra, whereby, he had said these farmers are not loyal and they take money in the name of crop loans, and then they use it for their own personal gains or for the wedding receptions of their children. This is what Manik Rao Kokate had spoken earlier. And even before that, he had insulted the farmers of Maharashtra by saying कि 1 रुपया तो आजकल भिखारी भी भीख नहीं लेता है, हम 1 रुपये लोन पर किसानों को लोन दे रहे हैं. Now this government who had promised, waiver of farm loan during the election campaign, leaders including Devendra Fadnavis and even Narendra Modi had promised in his speech in Maharashtra, but they have not abided by that. So this government, I would like to say Hindi में कि धोखाधड़ी की सरकार है, विश्वासघाती सरकार है.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us with your perspective. The opposition has now questioned the Maharashtra government, saying it shows that they are not serious about the issues pertaining to the people. We're awaiting a reaction to come in from the government on that.